If you're caught between Citigroup and Charles Schwab Bank, wondering which one deserves your trust in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down both options to help you choose wisely. Let's dive in. Starting with Citigroup, globally recognized, Citigroup is a powerhouse when it comes to traditional banking, credit cards, loans, and international services. With a massive worldwide network, it's a great fit if you need global access to your accounts or if you travel frequently. Plus, they've been steadily improving their digital banking experience, making online transactions smoother and more accessible. On the flip side, Citigroup does have some room for improvement when it comes to customer service, especially for everyday banking users. And while they're solid for international needs, their domestic banking features might not feel as personal or competitive in terms of rates. Now let's talk about Charles Schwab Bank. Schwab is best known for its investment services, but its banking side has gained a lot of attention. Schwab offers high-yield investor checking accounts, no account minimums, and zero foreign transaction fees, which makes it a dream for savvy travelers and investors alike. Plus, they reimburse all ATM fees worldwide, a huge win. What really sets Schwab apart is their integration with brokerage accounts, giving you seamless access to investments and banking in one place. However, they don't have as many physical branches as Citigroup, and if you prefer in-person banking, this could be a drawback. So, which one is better? If you're looking for a global banking network and traditional services, Citigroup is a solid pick. But if you want low fees, great digital features, and seamless investment integration, Charles Schwab Bank comes out on top, especially in 2025. That's it for this comparison. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that super thanks button by clicking on the heart icon to support the channel, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss an honest review. See you in the next one.